Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add signature into your PDF in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to open your PDF and then you just need to go for a Google Chrome browser or any of your preferable browser, and then you just need to type Adobe PDF Signature over here. Click on that, and after that searching of Adobe PDF Signature, you will get the first link over here for sign your PDF with a free PDF from filter. So click on that, and after that select file. Click on select file over here and then select your PDF. After that you can see they are uploading your PDF over here. After that you can see they are requesting you to sign up your Google account. So if you click on continue with Google, so here you can see that we are signing into Adobe and now we are in Acrobat, in online. And now if you want to add your signature, you just need to come over at the left side and at the bottom side that add your signature or initial. So click on that and you can click on add signature, and they will show you this kind of signature over here. You can type it by clicking on type, or you can draw over here, like here I'm drawing my signature, and also you can select an image of your signature. So I will click on draw and then I will save this signature. Click on save, and here you can see here is your signature over here. So if you scroll down a little bit and you can put it over here like this. And now if you want to make it more bigger, you can do it by customizing this. You can drag it over here and it will be increase its size, or you can drag it a little. And then you just click on your right side and you can see here is your signature over here. So you can change the letter, or you can change the customization. You can do it. But basically this is how you can signature. Basically you can add signature like this, and then click on download, and you can see if you click on download PDF, and you can see your PDF will be downloaded into your device storage. You can see if you click on that, you can see here is your signature over here. The first one is here, there is no signature. After downloading it, you can see here is your signature. So this is how you can add signature into your PDF. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.